Hey everybody, it's me again, Julia from Lash Tribe. Today I would like to show you a review which is actually going to be very biased. I will tell you straight up. I am going to be reviewing, whoa, it's all coming at you, isn't it? It wants to get out onto the screen. The Coco and Camila Eco Skincare Wash or Facial Cloths. They're not just for your face, you can use them all over your body. This is all my family has been using for the past few months, and see, they're pretty much everywhere. This is mine, this is what I use for my face. And Lash Tribe decided to stock them for that reason. When I decide to stock certain products, I always test them myself, and if I don't like them, I will not sell them. It's very, very simple. And these products I was literally blown away, because that was the only thing, apart from the very thing remover, which we sell also in the online store, is the only thing that would take my makeup off, my eyeliner, even if it is a waterproof eyeliner, a waterproof lipstick like this. I'll show you a bit later on as well. You can see it's not budging. This is the Maybelline Color Stay. That's the little lipsticks. So yeah, then I came across these cloths because my friend Louisa started stocking these, or started selling them and distributing them, and she asked me whether I would be interested to try one. So she just gave some to try, and I fell in love with them. My whole family, like I said, uses them on a day-to-day basis. I have about 20 of those flying around in the house, and they are amazing. Now I will read to you what it says here, and I'll also insert a little picture right here for you so you can see. Now these particular ones, they come with, I'll show you, there's a couple of different packs actually. We have a special limited edition pack in the shop. These ones here, I believe, are not limited edition. They're just the square facial cloths. Yeah, has a little hangy thingy so it can drip dry. And they come in this little pouch. So there's two of those. And what it says is, our uniquely woven Coco and Camila face cleansing cloth is the ultimate addition to your skincare regime. It gently removes eye makeup without disrupting the lash extensions. Tick, right? This is why I got interested in the product in the first place. Our special weave completely removes makeup. Tick, it's the only thing that removes everything. It gently exfoliates the skin, and it reduces fine lines and wrinkles and diminishes acne, blackheads and whiteheads. It minimises scarring, and it clears clogged pores by removing dirt and bacteria. Reusable up to 1,000 times. Wow, that's a long time. I didn't know that. And the great thing is also it does not disrupt the skin's natural pH, because you're not using any chemicals on your skin. So if you are someone who has kids like myself at home, I'm personally allergic to sodium lauryl sulfate, which is in pretty much all skincare products that are cleansing in any kind of form. I have to use something like this, which doesn't use any chemicals, or I have to use something that's like 100% organic and doesn't use any harsh soaps and things like that. So if you want something completely natural, these are definitely the way to go. I apologize if you hear my screaming kids in the background. I can hear them very clearly. I don't know whether you can. Anyway, here's how to use and care for them. It's very simple. Wash it in the washing machine, then hang it up to dry. Don't put it in the tumble dryer, and definitely don't use any fabric softener on it. And then when you want to use it, I'll show you what to do. You just use warm water, and then you just wring it out a little bit, and then you have two sides of the cloth. I don't know whether you can tell. This side is like the weaving type side, and then this one is a little bit more plushy. You can see I've used this before. It's not 100% clean. You can see this is the one is a bit softer, and this one is just a little bit more dense. So you use the plusher side to actually start cleaning your face, and then when you want to wash it, you can do this like 3 times a week. Put it in the washing machine. Again, don't tumble dry, and just hang it up to dry. That's it. So now I will show you all how I would clean my face with this. Anyway, I wanted to show you how it can remove this type of eyeliner. I know I didn't do a very good job, but I just did for the video now to show you. And then also the Maybelline Color Stay lipstick. So here we go. I'm just going to do this half of my face. Also note, when you're going to the lashes, how I clean around the lashes. I don't usually just scrub back and forth. You wouldn't do that anytime. It is eyelash extension safe. That means if you are going, and I'll show you this now, and I fold it a little bit. If you go down like that, you will have the lashes coming out that would have been ready to come out anyway, right? It's literally just a matter of knowing when you're due for a refill. You will have lashes coming out that would have come out naturally. Now I will have to wet this a little bit more. Okay, so I go in, I literally just hold my eye like this a little bit and I go in. You can see how easily, I mean, wow. That is a waterproof eyeliner. It's right in there now. How easily it removes this eyeliner. Gone. That's crazy. So far I haven't lost any lashes yet. So once I have removed my eyeliner, I usually just go back in and I just kind of push it a little bit. And then I wrap it around my finger. Just clean your lashes like that. Of course, you can still use your foaming cleanser as well to get right into the roots of the lashes without any issue. So there you go. That's your lashes cleaned. Now I go underneath, of course. Never mind my funny ways of looking to different sides. And then take the half of my face off, which is very sad. My eyebrow. My kids. You can see, got a little bit of makeup in here already. So let's keep going. And I have a lot of redness at the moment, so you will have that peeking through in a minute. I have a very good foundation on right now. I am using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is also quite hard to take off. You can see here. My poor little eye is very bare now. Very bare. Lucky I'm not going anywhere now, right? So as you can see, there's quite a bit of makeup in here. None of the lashes have come out. And it's completely clean. Oh, there's a little bit underneath. It's great. And also it's not harsh. You don't have to keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. It just removes it. Now, watch this one more time. I will use my hands. It doesn't come off, right? Now, watch this. Ready? Ooh. And I'm not pushing hard, like I'm not completely rubbing it. It's gone. A little bit in the dry areas. That's always the case. So in the dry areas, you have to rub it a little bit more. But I mean, bare, no makeup. Makeup. What do you think? Crazy, right? You can see all the lipstick in here, by the way. I'm going to use the other side now, even though it says not to use one of them, but I still use both sides. It doesn't bother me. I'm surprised I haven't lost any lashes yet, because I'm actually due for a refill, and usually the few days before the refill, my lashes decide to just start to fall out. So again, I'm pulling my skin a little bit tight. And then, oh, I just ripped one off, I think. No, just felt like it. I go back in and you can see this is like a waterproof eyeliner. And no lashes have come off yet. Which is very unusual. Usually there's a couple coming off at least. And you go in and just wipe down a little bit. Make sure you have all of those roots all cleaned. There's one. Oh, got it. Oh, and it has a natural lash in it. Let me put it on my finger and I can show you. Can you see that? So that thing would have come out anyway. Another one. See, I told you I was due for a refill. Yeah. Once more. You can see the natural lash. Right? There you go, it's almost clean. And my skin, it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel tight. It feels beautifully and clean. When I clean my face with a normal foaming cleanser, I will still use my cloth after, and you will be surprised how much crap still comes out of your skin. See? And now you just wash it with a little bit of organic soap, and then you can hang it to dry and use it for the whole week if you want to. I usually like to use this because I have like 20 cloths. I usually use these like twice and then I just wash it. Yeah, that's what I do. But anyway, that is the magic of the Coco and Camila cloths.